Hi, welcome back to another video. My name is Lori. So this is called shopping. What did Lori shop for? Well, Lori did shop at 2 different places, I think. Is that, yes, 3 different places. But I'm just going to show you one at a time, possibly 2. We'll see how we do on time. First one was that came today. My order just came today. I had to go shopping at HipDot. HipDot had a great sale, and a couple of their items had a really fantastic percentage off. So I grabbed them. The first one is the Monopoly. Yes, I did. I got the Monopoly palette. Let me take it out of this plastic cover, and then I can show you guys. There is writing on the outside of the plastic cover, so I don't want to get rid of those and throw them away. I want to keep them covered. But this is the Monzi Moves palette. Look at how cute it is. This is adorable. If this doesn't look fun, I don't know. Then you're boring. You're just flat out boring. But I do get that at a at a certain age, as we continue to get older, we definitely are not going to be doing this, you know what I mean, to our eyes, unless we're staying home and we're just playing like me. You know, I got all kinds of alter egos just talking up a storm upstairs. I'm over here telling him to shut up. You know, Sassy wants to come out so bad. She's like, let me see the stuff you got. I'm all, no, just settle down in there. Okay, check this out. Check it out. It doesn't have a mirror, obviously. You don't need one because you're going to use one to put your makeup on. Look at these things. Where is it? Yeah, there we go. I'll do it like this first. It's got the go. It's got the jail. It has the free parking and go to jail. I love it. That's a pretty palette, right, you guys? It's gorgeous. And it's from HipDot. It didn't come with any invoice or packing slip or anything like that. HipDot's pretty bad about doing that. I'll go take a look in my email and I'll let you know how much I paid and what the regular price is. Or you can take a look at it yourself. Just go to HipDot, at HipDot on Instagram, or I think it's hipdot.com. I'll put that information on the screen somewhere. And then, of course, check it out. This is the Play-Doh. These are fun. Celebrating 65 years. And on the back is on the back is the roadmap with the colors on it. It's got a nice sleeve. Who did a color with this today? Beauty with Renee. I think that's what her handle is on the channel here. HipDot and Play-Doh. So it's, you know, it's a collab. Technically they're collabs. They have to go through a lot of hoops just to get the rights to do them. It has a real pretty butterfly as a mirror. It's not that big of a mirror, but check out these colors. Look at the impression stamped in each of the pods. This looks like fun. See, I didn't even think about it, except for that I knew I had to re-record the videos that I messed up last night. So even if I wanted to play with this one and do a look with it, I would have messed it up and you guys wouldn't have been able to see it in its original form. Its original state. My husband asked, does it smell like Play-Doh? And he was joking around, and the first thing I'd do is go stick my nose up in there. I'm like, no, I don't think so. It's like, really? Seriously? You stuck your nose in the palette? I did. Yes, I did. And then I got these because I'm always one of them people that shops on sale sites for cool things like this. I love, if you know me, you know that I'm addicted to palettes. I love palettes and I like unique palettes. I have a lot of collection palettes. This is kind of that. I use them. Doesn't mean that just because I collect them, I'll never use them. I will use them. I mean, Why would I want to own them? But I do get them because of the collection. Anyway, back to what I was saying. To get free shipping, it'll say if you spend $2, $3, $4 more, then you don't pay the $12 or $9.99 or $15 for shipping. And that's me. Just send me back to the store and I'll go find something. So I got Sassy some stuff. I think she's gonna like these. These are the Dia de los Muertas or Muertos beauty masks. She's gonna trip out. Okay, I can hear her in there. She wants to come out so bad and make a comment about these. I cannot let us do the split. I can't do the split thing on camera. There's no way. I got to keep these girls separate. But anyway, I got 4. Came in 4. She's going to have a few sheet masks that she gets to play with. All right. What do you guys think? Oh, does it say, oh, I almost thought it said glow in the dark. Glow and hydrate. Those face masks. Anyway, what do you guys think? Are those cool? Those are pretty cool, right? All right, let me show you a couple other things that I got from Colourpop, because that one only had like 2 items. I am trying their new Pretty Fresh, and this is a tinted moisturizer. I got one in medium 10N and medium 11N, so we'll see what and how they turn out on my face. I do use the Glowish by Huda Beauty, or is it Huda? Yeah, by Huda, because it's helping me stay away from foundation. I'll still use foundation depending on how I feel that day, but for the most part I prefer tinted moisturizers. And this is a lot like the Glowish. It reminds me kind of like the color. But if I get both color, oh no, they are different. See, this is what I was afraid of. I don't want the yellow, and this has a lot of yellow in it. Huda's does not have the yellow in it. This one has, you know, Lori, you're colorblind. This is more peachy. This is more yellow. So here they are side by side. As you can tell, one has the yellow hint or undertone, and the other one has the peach. The yellow one kind of washes me out, but for some reason, Glowish, it doesn't, even though this is the one that has the, you know, and this one's more the peach. I can't explain it, you guys. I'm not a cosmetologist, and I don't study and do makeup and everything like that, and I sure as hell don't understand the color wheel, undertones and all that other stuff. I do to a certain level. And then after that, I go, oh, this is too much for my brain. That all these guys in here start yelling, just get it out, get the thoughts out. I go, I agree. So anyway, and from the Princess Vault, oh yes, I did. Lori did. These are the Super Shock Shadow Vault. It's all of them. Yes, from the Princess collection. That's all of them. There's what is it, 12? Check these out if you can. I'll go slow. Let's see if it's getting them. Notice the cap. The cap has something that resembles each princess or the female character from each movie. So as you see these right here, it kind of lets you know what the name of the shadow is. And I was excited about these. So each one of them, I'm not going to go through them because it takes too long, but there are 12 of them. I might put the entire list on the screen. I don't know, it's a lot of typing, but you guys know what I mean. Okay, I'll let you see them this way. Check these out. I did pull one out, and I swatched it. I couldn't help myself. I started watching this darn person influencer on Instagram and talking about the Super Shock eyeshadows from Colourpop and how Oh, Lord Almighty, butter smooth they are, and how they just glide. They just glide on the lid. This one is like a, see that? The color shifting. That's this one right here. See how it does that like a scale, like a fish's scale? And the more you put, the deeper, you know, as you build that, you build it up, you're going to get a more intense look. Trying not to move it too much. It drives me nuts when people do that. I'm like, stop your hand. Stop, please. Just go nice and easy, kind of like this. There we go. Okay. But anyhow, so there was only one I dipped my fingers in. I'm not going to dip them in there 12 times. The names are adorable. It's an absolutely cute, beautiful collection. And you can put them basically over any, you know, over any nice transition eyeshadow. So that's it. Because I got some more I did some more shopping, but I'm not going to put any more in this video. That's enough for this video. So what you guys think of my HipDot stuff, my Monopoly and my Play-Doh? Okay, let's not forget the Dia de los Muertos. I mean, why not? That's for Sassy. She is sometimes the Day of the Dead. I'm not being mean. Okay, you guys, that's it for this video. Thank you very much for spending just a little bit of time with me. I greatly appreciate it. I would also appreciate it if you would hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not. Hey man, be a part of this quirky crowd. And by that I mean the 5 that live upstairs. Yes, in Hotel Lady Lori. Okay, that's all I got. But I'm gonna see you because I'm gonna come right back. I gotta do another video. That's right, we're gonna talk about this. This is the elephant in the room. So we're gonna talk about that next. Take care.